Hello, beautiful soul. Good morning. It's 10 a.m. and I slept at I think 4:35 in the morning. Because just it's I was recording a psychic message and I forget to do the gratitude thing. So I'm gonna do it right now. I'm really grateful, that yesterday I had good food. I'm grateful that I had all the resources available to cook what I wanted to cook. I'm grateful that um, I had the confidence in me to put my videos out there. I'm super grateful for the pink curtains and yellow bedsheet because being in colors, it just makes me feel so good. Right colors, and Rani was well fed. My dog was well fed. Such a gift. Yeah, I went on a beautiful walk and came back home safely. Such a beautiful gift. And I could wear whatever I wanted to wear. And God inspired me to wear something different. That was such a gift. And yeah. And I'm super grateful for the amazing day that I'm about to have today. Yeah. You guys, wow, look at it. I wish I could show it to you from a back camera, but this, and then when I go like this, there is sunlight. Woohoo! Wow. Makes me wanna cry. This is my period blood over here. I need to take shower, do my hair, look pretty, and just yeah. I'm gonna read something to you, okay? I intend to be in a blissful state at all times, positive focus and inspired action. Universe is arranging all necessary conditions to meet up with all of my necessary desires, and it is arranging those conditions immediately because universe is holding perspective which is absent of all the resistance. As when I desire something, universe is becoming an exact match to those things, and there is never an exception to this rule. If you know Teal Swan, one of her videos, she said this and I wrote it. Because right words, listening right words at the right time, reading right word at the right time does so much for literally it moves our high heart, mind and body. I received one of that words from the universe, from Mother Earth, when I was in that condition, when I in back in 2019, when I received the call to start eating healthy. I was scared. I was like, how will I eat fruits? How will I afford them and things like that. And then a fear has literally hijacked me completely, okay. And then suddenly I heard these words: I am your mother and I will provide. It was from my heart, and after when I received, it was Mother Earth talking to me. And when I received those words, my entire body, like how fear is, in our body we feel constructed, and it's like something bigger has tightly lashed onto us. And when I immediately heard these words, from my heart, coming, I am your mother and I will provide. And suddenly there was this all that harshness. It was like somebody just washed it away, or 10,000 feathers all over my body, and I started to feel lighter, and that fear started to clear. So yeah, it was, I received. And in so many other situations, right words at the right time, a blessing, God. So my intention is, God, I keep coming across the words, right books and right people saying right thing to me at the right time. And I also say, through me, talk to other people, Mother Earth, in words that brings them calm, joy, safety, love, lightheartedness in their heart, and in lightness in their body. Okay. I love it. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and I'm effortlessly making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly making 20 lakh rupees in right now. I'm effortlessly making, joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm so joyfully and effortlessly making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. And joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. Effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. Effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and making 20 my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I'm effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. Effortlessly and joyfully. You guys, I just came out of shower, and what a beautiful gift it is to shower, to have access to clean water, and have a washroom like that you can, that is clean, that is yours, and that privacy, that access to private washroom. It's such a blessing, and I'm feeling super grateful for that. You guys, look at this outfit. So cute. This is my top that I have DIY. So you see sleeves. I took here and just tied it, okay? You will find many tutorials. Anyway, what I want to share was that I had like 211 rupees, like $2 or $3 in my account in the last 3-4 days. And I wanted to eat watermelon. I couldn't in the last 2 days, okay? And other grocery stuff that I also needed. And I have to pay my rent. The last 2 months are also pending, and the upcoming month is my purpose of sharing this with you is because I want to document myself as God does magic in my life, as God leads me through this, and so that it becomes an inspiration from other people, for other people, and just to believe in the God, magic of the God, Yes. So let's see how God feeds me. I know God's gonna keep my body healthy. God's gonna keep me really, really healthy, really well fed. Of course there are different kind of fears, like, oh my god, what if I lose my home, will I live on road, will I sleep on road, how will I eat, and all these fears were loud. And what if I have to go through my father's humiliation again, or what if nothing works out, all these fears were louder. But I'm walking with God, God's got me, God's, and if Mother Earth got me. Like these two, this, yeah. I know they got me, even I do not see how. Yeah. Hi guys. I'm this is gonna be the clip from next morning, because yesterday I slept and I didn't, record anything. But it was a really beautiful day yesterday, because I was very something that gave me panic, like usually when I have just last pennies left in my bank account and I have no food and all, usually I would panic a lot, cry. But yesterday I was very calm. I was like, God will feed me, God will feed me. And then I did get the money for my groceries. And I know God will keep sending more and more. I was crying, when I went for a walk. I was like, God, food, I need food. I want to be feeling secure around food. I should have like money always sitting in my bank account, like big chunk of money. All the groceries that I need to get in the next 5 years, I must already have that money in my bank account, so that I can feel calm. And all the rent that I have to pay for next 5 years, it must already be there, so that I can feel safe and calmer. Anyway, I was still feeling calm, Yeah, I did cry, but mostly I was feeling calm. So I'm grateful for that. And just the way God was leading me, it was really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Okay, now it's next morning. You are hearing me, and it's time to say my affirmations. I am a goddess and I have goddess powers in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddess's confidence in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddess magic in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddess magic inside of me. I'm a goddess and I have goddess's style. I'm a goddess and I'm making money like a goddess. I am a goddess and I've always have more my rent and bills paid so joyfully and effortlessly in advance. I'm a goddess and I have money and resources always available to me to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest joy, highest confidence, highest success, highest health. I am a goddess and I'm eating like a goddess, sleeping like a goddess, speaking like a goddess, moving like a goddess, making choices like a goddess, and living like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I am a goddess, and people love to get my paintings, to receive the guidance from me. I am a goddess, and people are joyfully obsessed in spoiling me with love, warmth, care, constantly putting time, money, efforts, trust into me. Yeah. It's time to get up. Oh, okay. Also, yesterday the outfit that I wore was so beautiful. The green and yeah. I got my watermelon and my cold pressed coconut oil and other groceries that I needed for today and tomorrow. Look at the cow. She's her yummy food. I'm gonna eat my yummy food, and I pray that Mother Earth keep blessing all of us with healthy, nutritious, yummy food. Yeah. I have made for myself yummy oatmeal, and I'm always ready and always available to receive support from you. You can send me donation for my groceries, fruits, vegetables, my rent, my electricity bill, my mobile bill, and for me to feel like really well taken care of. Yeah, always open for your support. Link of that is in my bio. You guys, I have come to meet my friends, these trees, mountains, and rivers. We are not sitting inside and overthinking the worst case scenarios. We are going out and meeting the trees and letting the fresh air show us the highest good, the highest solution, the most positive solution. And let's take the energy from the fresh air, the inspiration from the fresh air. Fresh air fills us up with inspiration, creativity, solution, strength. You know, when my mom was passing, coming out in fresh air every day for a walk, even late at night, that what helped me, you know. I want to walk in this world knowing that God's got me. Mother Earth got me like 100%. Like I know they are looking after me so well. I want to walk in this world with that knowing, like with my chin up, with my head held high, even though my last 2 months of rent is pending. And yeah, still knowing that this situation is only for the positive. And yeah, I have also told God that God, if you want to see me happy, see me play more, have more fun, then you better send like 5 years of rent money and my grocery money and you know in my bank account. Like I want to see that money in my bank account so that I can be playful, because I have spent enough time stressed. My body needs to be calm, and that kind of money will calm me. And that kind of money God is capable of sending me right now. Like right now. Yeah. I love it. And wow, we are out here with a selfie stick. That's a gift. Oh my God. I get to come out and record myself. Ah! Yeah. Absolutely love this freedom to come out for a walk. Like truly, if I would have, like, I think I've shared this before, but nobody in my family, no women had this freedom. No, even if they have to go to market in like once in a 6 to 7 months, once to even get their eyebrows done, they will have to take, it will be like just such a basic thing would give them such anxiety. They have to come up with scenarios and all. And same with the money. And God is leading me out of all these patterns of control that were upon all women, really, even like asking the basic money, there will be such questions asked. Whoa. Anyway, this is so beautiful. Love it. I love this. I love it. Yay. I had a sweetest conversation with a guy. He was really sweet. Yeah. Rani is drinking her water. How beautiful is Mother Earth? She is amazing. I love her. Wow. The affirmation that I'm saying in my heart right now is that I am effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I am effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. I am effortlessly and joyfully making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. Like right now. It must happen this very second. I am effortlessly making 20 lakh rupees in my business right now. Rani, relax. Whoa, guy, where is that? Okay. Hello. You are amazing. I love you. You're so cute. I love you. Amazing. Universe knows the exact way to bring you what you want. Like whatever it is that you want, universe knows the exact, knows the easy way, easiest way, effortless way to bring that thing to you. And whatever we desire, universe knows the path of least resistance, and immediately the moment you desire something, universe creates that thing for you. All the terms and conditions just starts to change in favor of your desire, and universe knows how to bring it to you in an effortless way. So we should not worry about oh my God, how this will happen, how that will happen. So no, universe knows. You should just move in this world like it already happened. Live like your prayers have already been answered. That's what Jesus said, And I see this beautiful view. All these beautiful mountains. तुम तो हो दरअसल मीठी सी प्यास हो, लगती हो तुम अचानक बात बात हो, तेरी अदा अदा पे मरता मैं, वफा वफा सी करता क्यों, हदों पे हूँ गुजरता मैं. I want a life where that is so beautiful that I like, that feels so safe to me, that I get to sing and dance and play anytime that I want to, you know, without any worry who's looking, who's what other people are thinking, without all these limiting beliefs. I need to feel like woohoo in my body. Teri ada ada pe marta. I'm gonna put my phone inside for charging, but before that I wanna say a prayer. Number one, may God keep my mobile phone always protected. Yeah, another thing is, may God always only put me around people who are kind-hearted, very generous, very loving, and you know, like really good people who will really keep around whom my body can relax, and my internal and I can just relax, you know, because we are very psychic. If someone is, you know, not having good intentions, we can feel it. That's why we can always, if we are around that people, we will always feel uneasy and all of those things. So I want to be only around people now, from moving forward, around whom my body can deeply calm, I can deeply relax. So much so I relax so much that I start playing, because play can only happen when we are in a relaxed mood, you know. So I just want to be around people like that, and in an environment that are safer for me. Everybody in my lineage lives around people that they will feel panic around, you know, like the people who are speaking poor things over their life. Like parents will keep telling their children, like, you know what, you will never be able to do anything, you will never be amount to nothing, you will never be able to make money, you will die hungry. So if you live around people like that who are constantly saying this kind of things, it's not good, you know. And the home environment, the relatives, the neighbors are constantly speaking poor things over your life. That's not good, you know, who are robbing you of your creativity. No, we deserve to live in an environment which feels safer for us, which is very supportive of our unique essence, our unique magic, you know. The environment wherein our health flourish, our creativity flourish, our money flourishes, our, you know, our happiness flourishes, the playfulness inside of us comes out. We need to be living in those kind of environments and around those kind of people. And you know, choosing a life partner, choosing friends, it should be like that, you know. Like these people who are going to be closest to us, they should be like that, safer, but also generally like the environment, people in our environments should be, and that's why it's very necessary to surround yourself with people who really love themselves. Like people who love themselves, they will not harm you. They will not harm you because they know, you know, because if they want peace and joy in their life, they can never have it if they put misery onto anybody, if they lie to other people, cheat them, deceive them, hurt them in any way. No, they can't be peaceful. So the people who love themselves, they will be in their integrity. If they make a mistake, they will apologize. They will come to you with an apology, and they will they will bring that good energy. Living around people who are in love with themselves, it reflects onto you. Like that energy will also like start to inspire you. Anyway, girl has too much wisdom to share that is worth millions, okay? I'm talking about this girl, your girl. Her name is Jyoti. She has a lot of fairy magic inside of us. Yeah. And Mother Earth speaks through us. Mother Earth shares her golden wisdom through her, you know, to her other children. Book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me for deeper levels of guidance, psychic, intuitive, and also like my one month of mentorship and 12 weeks of mentorship will support you a lot if you want to grow beyond your limiting beliefs, like things like, oh my god, I'm not good enough, I'm not gifted enough, I have nothing to offer to the world, or the poverty mindset. If you want to rise beyond them and step into your power, I'm your girl, I'm your mentor. Book a one-on-one intuitive guidance session with me. And if you want spiritual guidance, psychic guidance, then my coaching over video call or audio session, that is also available. Link of everything is in my bio.